Let's take a quick look at the AgiiMan Electric Pressure Washer. This powerful cleaning tool offers impressive features for tackling tough outdoor cleaning jobs. What I really like is the high 4,500 psi max pressure and 3.1 GPM water flow rate, which provides excellent cleaning power for various surfaces. The pros are the 1600W copper core motor for reliable performance, the versatile accessories including multiple nozzles and a soap tank, and the convenient 35-foot power cord and 20-foot hose for extended reach. It's also relatively lightweight at 8 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around your cleaning area. The only con is that the actual working pressure may be lower than the advertised 4,500 psi max, which is common for electric pressure washers in this price range. Overall, I'm impressed by how this AgiiMan pressure washer combines power, versatility, and portability in an affordable package. Whether you're cleaning your car, patio, or driveway, this tool has the features to handle the job efficiently. Click the link in the description to bring home this powerful cleaning assistant and make your outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze.